Welcome to Insight Global Academy, where complex health science is translated into clear, practical guidance you can apply every day. In today's video, we will explore the best breakfast choices for stable energy levels. Many people experience energy crashes, brain fog, or fatigue before midday, even after eating breakfast. In most cases, the problem is not the absence of food, but the wrong combination of foods. Breakfast plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar, hormone balance, metabolism, and mental focus. The right breakfast provides sustained energy, while the wrong one silently triggers fatigue, cravings, and poor concentration. By the end of this video, you will understand which breakfast foods support steady energy, why they work, and how to structure your morning meal for lasting performance. To maintain stable energy levels, breakfast must achieve three objectives. First, it must prevent rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Second, it must support slow and steady energy release. Third, it must provide nutrients that support brain and muscle function. Meals dominated by refined carbohydrates or sugar cause insulin spikes, followed by energy crashes. Balanced breakfasts that combine complex carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and fiber promote consistent energy throughout the morning. Breakfast choice 1. Oats, complex carbohydrates. Oats are one of the most effective breakfast foods for stable energy. They are rich in complex carbohydrates and soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan. Beta-glucan slows digestion and glucose absorption, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. This allows energy to be released gradually over several hours. Oats also support gut health and improve insulin sensitivity, which further stabilizes energy levels. Best way to eat. Prepare oats with water or milk and add nuts, seeds, or fruit. Avoid sweetened instant oats with added sugar. Energy benefit. Sustained energy, reduced hunger, improved concentration. Breakfast choice 2. Eggs. High-quality protein. Eggs are an excellent source of complete protein, containing all essential amino acids required for muscle repair and brain function. Protein slows gastric emptying, meaning food remains in the stomach longer, providing a steady energy supply and reducing mid-morning cravings. Eggs also contain choline, which supports neurotransmitter production and mental focus. Best way to eat. Boiled, scrambled with vegetables, or lightly fried with minimal oil. Energy benefit. Improved alertness, reduced fatigue, longer satiety. Breakfast choice 3. Greek yogurt or fermented foods. Greek yogurt and fermented foods support energy indirectly through gut health. The gut plays a significant role in nutrient absorption and immune regulation. An imbalanced gut microbiome reduces energy efficiency and increases inflammation. Greek yogurt provides protein, probiotics, and calcium, all of which contribute to metabolic stability. Best way to eat. Choose unsweetened Greek yogurt and pair with seeds or fruit. Energy benefit. Improved digestion, reduced inflammation, better nutrient utilization. Breakfast choice 4. Healthy fats. Nuts, seeds, avocado. Healthy fats slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar when combined with carbohydrates. Nuts, seeds, and avocados provide essential fatty acids that support hormone balance and brain function. Unlike refined carbohydrates, fats do not cause insulin spikes, making them essential for long-lasting energy. Best way to eat. Add nuts to oats, seeds to yogurt, or avocado to whole grain toast. Energy benefit. Reduced energy crashes, improved mental clarity. Breakfast choice 5. Fruits with low glycemic load. Fruits provide vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sugars. However, fruit should be consumed with protein or fat, not alone. Berries, apples, and pears have lower glycemic loads and provide fiber, which slows sugar absorption. Fruit alone may cause a brief energy rise followed by a crash. Best way to eat. Combine fruits with yogurt, oats, or nuts. Energy benefit. Balanced glucose response, improved endurance. Stable energy begins with thoughtful breakfast choices. Breakfasts to avoid. Certain breakfast choices undermine energy levels. Sugary cereals, pastries, sweetened drinks, and white bread cause rapid glucose spikes followed by crashes. Skipping breakfast entirely may also increase fatigue and overeating later in the day. Stable energy requires balance, not restriction. Oats, eggs, yogurt, healthy fats, and fiber-rich fruits work together to regulate blood sugar, improve focus, and prevent fatigue. Consistency matters more than perfection. Choose balanced meals that support your body's natural energy systems. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to Insight Global Academy for evidence-based nutrition and wellness education. Watch our related videos on heart health and immune support to build a complete foundation for long-term health.